what is sustainability about and how do we do it? Fundamental to understanding what sustainability is about is this diagram showing the different sectoral dimensions. The market, community and government all play a role in sustainability. And they have different roles. It's important to see that they are different and to see that they all need some kind of leadership, some kind of innovation. But the market, for example, is powerful in the way it can produce goods and services. And those goods and services are either sustainable or they're not. In other words, they can be improving the economy and the environment and communities at the same time, or they could be damaging. And businesses have to make that choice when they're producing them. Governments get involved in regulations and infrastructure. That's their key role. They don't actually set long-term directions, however. They tend to have a time frame which is roughly from one election to the next, maybe 10 years at maximum. The market, its time frame is usually less than 6 months. Certainly the next financial year is about as long as it goes. So it can be a bit more strategic than that, but generally it's very short term. The long term and the sustainability issues these days are really about long-term issues. These values and visions are set by the community. There is no way that the market or government can do that. If the community is not doing it, then sustainability can't work. Sustainability is constantly being pushed and prodded by community values and visions. So the stories that I tell and others tell involved in the sustainability business generally arise from communities who have grasped a sense of what is going wrong and a different world that they want to see. And the ability to tap into that is fundamental to understanding sustainability. If you think it's about making sure the triple bottom line is brought into your financial report, fine, but you're not really understanding it unless you've recognised that powerful role of communities, who after all are the ones who are setting the long-term direction of our society. All the other components have to fit into that.